Welcome to Genius Brain Box.
Grand Slam is used in which of the following games? A. Lawn tennis. B. Football. C. Badminton. D. None of the above. Correct answer. Lawn tennis. Winning all four major tournaments, Australian Open, French Open, Wimbledon, US Open, in a single year. Pen holder grip is used in which of the following sports? A. Cricket. B. Hockey. C. Table tennis. D. Badminton. Correct answer. Table tennis. A common grip style in table tennis, similar to holding a pen. Who among the following is the first Indian to win an individual gold medal at any Olympic Games? A. Abhinav Bindra. B. Muhammad Aslam. C. Rajyavardhan Singh Rathod. D. Neeraj Chopra. Correct answer. Abhinav Bindra. Won gold in 10-meter air rifle at the 2008 Beijing Olympics. Who among the following was the first Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna? A. Viswanathan Anand. B. Geet Sethi. C. Karnam Malleshwari. D. Namarappam Kunjarani. Correct answer. Viswanathan Anand. India's highest sporting honor, awarded to him in 1991 to 92. How many number of red balls are in snooker? A. 13. B. 15. C. 17. D. 20. Answer. 15. Snooker uses 15 red balls, each worth 1 point. The wood of a cricket bat is usually treated with a specific oil which serves a protective function. What is the name of the oil? A. Coconut oil. B. Sesame oil. C. Linseed oil. D. None of the above. Correct answer. Linseed oil provides protection and durability to the cricket bat. Who is regarded as the most successful Indian Test captain of the Indian cricket team? A. Virat Kohli. B. Sunil Gavaskar. C. MS Dhoni. D. Sachin Tendulkar. Correct answer. Virat Kohli holds the record for most Test wins as Indian captain. Where was the first Winter Olympics held? A. Greece. B. France. C. Germany. D. England. Correct answer. France. Held in Chamonix, France, in 1924. Where are the headquarters of Commonwealth Games Federation? A. Manchester. B. London. C. Birmingham. D. Kensington. Correct answer. London. Located at Commonwealth House in London. Which country is the birthplace of the Olympic Games? A. Denmark. B. Italy. C. Greece. D. Germany. Correct answer. Greece. Ancient Olympic Games originated in Olympia, Greece. Which Olympic Games was the venue for the famous Black Power salute? A. 1960 Summer Olympics, Rome. B. 1964 Summer Olympics, Tokyo. C. 1968 Summer Olympics, Mexico City. D. 1972 Summer Olympics, Munich. Correct answer. 1968 Summer Olympics, Mexico City. During the 1968 Mexico City Olympics, Tommy Smith and John Carlos, two African-American athletes, raised their black-gloved fists on the podium in a powerful protest against racial discrimination in the United States. Which Olympic Games is also known as the Millennium Olympic Games? A. 1996 Summer Olympics, Atlanta. B. 2000 Summer Olympics, Sydney. C. 2004 Summer Olympics, Athens. D. 2008 Summer Olympics, Beijing. Correct answer. 2000 Summer Olympics, Sydney. The 2000 Summer Olympics in Sydney, Australia, are often referred to as the Millennium Olympic Games due to their occurrence at the dawn of the 21st century. Headquarters of the Commonwealth Games Federation are located in which country? A. Ireland. B. Canada. C. England. D. Australia. Correct answer. England. The Commonwealth Games Federation, CGF, is headquartered in London, England. Who is the founder of the Indian Olympic Games, who helped in the creation of the National Games of India? A. F.C. Arora. B. S.S. Dhawan. C. G.D. Sondhi. D. M.G. Nageskar. Correct answer G.D. Sondhi. G.D. Sondhi played a crucial role in establishing the Indian Olympic Games and subsequently contributed to the development of the National Games of India. Which country's national cricket team is nicknamed as the Proteas? A. South Africa. B. New Zealand. C. Australia. D. West Indies. Correct answer. South Africa. The South African cricket team is affectionately known as the Proteas. Who took the most wickets in the 2019 Cricket World Cup? A. Jasprit Bumrah. B. Lockie Ferguson. C. Mitchell Starc. D. Jofra Archer. Correct answer. Mitchell Starc. Mitchell Starc of Australia was the leading wicket-taker in the 2019 Cricket World Cup. Which country will host the 2023 Cricket World Cup? A. Sri Lanka. B. India. C. Australia. D. New Zealand. Correct answer. India. India is set to host the 2023 Cricket World Cup. Which cricket ground is known as the Cradle of Cricket? A. Broad Halfpenny Down. B. Marylebone. C. Adelaide Oval. D. Sheffield Shield. Correct answer. Broad Halfpenny Down. Broad Halfpenny Down in England is considered the birthplace of cricket. Which country won the Women's Cricket World Cup most number of times? A. England. B. New Zealand. C. West Indies. D. Australia. Correct answer. Australia. Australia has been the most successful team in Women's Cricket World Cup history, with multiple titles. Which is the highest governing body of the field hockey? A. International Hockey Association. B. International Hockey Federation. C. International Hockey Council. D. International Hockey Committee. Correct answer. International Hockey Federation. The International Hockey Federation, FIH, is the governing body for international field hockey. Which country's national football team is nicknamed La Furia Roja? A. Spain. B. Brazil. C. Argentina. D. Uruguay. Correct answer. Spain. La Furia Roja translates to the Red Fury and is a fitting nickname for the passionate and aggressive playing style of the Spanish national team. Which were the countries that participated in the football match event Maracanazo in the 1950 FIFA World Cup? A. Brazil vs Argentina. B. Argentina vs France. C. Argentina vs Uruguay. D. Uruguay vs Brazil. Correct answer. Uruguay vs Brazil. The Maracanazo refers to Uruguay's stunning victory over Brazil in the 1950 World Cup final, held in the iconic Maracana Stadium in Rio de Janeiro. Which sports competition was known as the AFC Challenge Cup? A. Cricket. B. Volleyball. C. Football. D. Hockey. Correct answer. Football. The AFC Challenge Cup was a football competition for emerging Asian nations organized by the Asian Football Confederation, AFC. Which countries will jointly host the 2023 FIFA Women's Football World Cup? A. Brazil and Argentina. B. United States of America and Canada. C. Portugal and Spain. D. Australia and New Zealand. Correct answer. Australia and New Zealand. Australia and New Zealand co-hosted the 2023 FIFA Women's World Cup. Indian Wells Tennis Garden is located in which country? A. Netherlands. B. United States of America. C. United Kingdom. D. Australia. Correct answer. United States of America. The Indian Wells Tennis Garden is located in Indian Wells, California, USA. Which sports tournament is known as the ATP Tour? A. Table tennis. B. Taekwondo. C. Triathlon. D. Tennis. Correct answer. Tennis. The ATP Tour is the premier men's professional tennis circuit. Which country ranks first in the all-time medal table of the Summer Olympics in tennis? A. China. B. Great Britain. C. France. D. United States of America. Correct answer. United States of America. The United States has dominated tennis at the Olympics, winning numerous medals. In which Summer Olympics, badminton was introduced for the first time? A. 1992 Summer Olympics. B. 1996 Summer Olympics. C. 2000 Summer Olympics. D. 2004 Summer Olympics. Correct answer. 1992 Summer Olympics. Badminton made its debut as an Olympic sport at the 1992 Barcelona Games. Who became the first Indian badminton player to reach the final in a Summer Olympic Games? A. Kidambi Shrikant. B. Saina Nehwal. C. P.V. Sindhu. D. Parupalli Kashyap. Correct answer. P.V. Sindhu. P.V. Sindhu reached the finals at the 2016 Rio Olympics. Which country ranks first in the FIBA Basketball Men's World Ranking? A. United States of America. B. Spain. C. Australia. D. Argentina. Correct answer. United States of America. The United States has consistently been a dominant force in international basketball. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment. Goodbye.